Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So I have another unboxing for you. I was contacted by Succulents Box. It's an online shop for succulents. They contacted me and wanted me to do a review of their, succulents. And so I was like, of course, I would love to. So let's go ahead and open this box. Alrighty. First look here. Awesome. Okay. Succulent box care instructions. Use code LOVEPLANTS for 15 off first order on our website. So there you go, Love Plants, if you want to make an order. And there's circuit. Please carefully and gently remove the packaging material. Don't put the plants in sunlight immediately. They need to acclimate to the sunlight. Gradually keep the plants in shade or in direct sunlight. Slowly introduce them to the sun. So they're just temperature, water. Yeah, very cool. With love, Succulent Box team. So pretty. Let's go ahead and pull this out. I think this is what they sent me. There's everything else in here. Oh yes, there is. Hold on. Let me pull everything out and then I'll move the box. There's that. Oh yeah, there's more. Let me make sure that's it. Okay, that's it. Let me move it. Open this one first. The packaging is really good. You know your succulents are gonna go through shipping fine. Ooh. An air plant. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. I don't have any air plants. So I'll put the name on the screen. So beautiful. I've never seen this plant before. It's beautiful though. There's that one. Good. Okay, let's see what this one is. Oh, okay. Okay, so the soil's everywhere. So pretty. Let me see if I can clean them off here. So I think this is the Anacampseros. There's that one. I don't have these. There's that one.
Huh?
There's this one with the little baby.
But imagine, break it.
I don't know, babe.
See.
This one has like some funny little hairs on it. I've never seen this one. I love the colors though. All right, let me clean this up and then I will get to the last one here.
Why is it so strong?
Yeah. And lastly is this cute Haworthia African Pearl. I do not have this one. So there's a little bit of damage on it, which is okay. But it is a nice size. It's in a 4-inch. So let me show you everything I got. This is my order from Succulents Box. So if you would like to check them out and you end up liking something on there, if you use the code LOVEPLANTS, you get 15% off your first order on the website. Well, there you go. I like what I got because it got a little messy, but I mean that's normal. Everything's looking good. I also wanted to add thank you Succulent Box for reaching out to me and sending me these beautiful succulents. I do appreciate it. Thank you so much. All right, my friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.